nagbayad ako tapos wala palang delivery. So, mukbang, guys!
I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go.
Good morning and Merry Christmas, everyone! I am just here in the balcony having my coffee. It's already 10 a.m. I woke up around 8:30 a.m. kasi in-arrange ko yung delivery ng Alaskan king crab. Yun ang handa namin for tonight's Noche Buena. Supposedly, dapat luto na siya ng pagka-deliver dito. Kaso, fully booked na daw yung paluto today. So, wala akong choice kundi magluto later. And then also, magluluto din tayo ng steak. Since dalawa lang kami, hindi na kami masyado nag-order or magluluto ng sobrang dami. Kasi nag-order ako ng king crab sa Facebook, which kinakabahan nga ako kasi ang laki ng amount ng Alaskan king crab and wala masyadong reviews yung page. Kanina naman, bago ako magbayad, pinapicturean ko naman, pinavideohan ko sa Lalamove Rider para at least sure lang na meron talagang Alaskan king crab. Kasi baka mamaya, pinagbayad ako tapos wala palang delivery. So, nantay ko talaga na today, same day ko siya ipapabook bago ako magbayad. Kasi nga, sobrang daming scam lately, lalo magpapasko. Ang daming mga kanya-kanyang mga style ng pangbubudol. I'm trying to be very extra careful when it comes to ordering, lalo sa mga Facebook page or Facebook groups, kasi nga, diba? Okay naman, naka-order naman ako, but the thing is, I have to cook it later. So, search lang ako ng mga YouTube tutorials kung paano magluto ng mga Alaskan king crab and yung sauce. Let's just have our coffee first to have the energy. I don't have any gifts for D yet. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong gusto niya. And pagka tumatagal na kayo sa relasyon, parang wala nang ganong-ganong type na kailangan yung mag-gift ng something every other occasions. Sa amin kasi, kahit walang occasion, kung may gusto kami ibigay, binibigay na rin namin. So that's why, wala kami maisip na gifts or Christmas gift ideas for each other. Kasi nga, whenever we want something or whenever our partner wants something, binibigay na namin or nireregaluhan na namin. So, yeah, I think that's the reason kung bakit wala kaming exchange gift this year. So, we're just gonna celebrate Christmas. Usually, nagsa-celebrate kami ng Christmas out of country. We realize na sobrang nakaka-hassle kasi nga ang daming tao, siksikan and all, hindi kami makakain sa mga restaurants kasi laging puno and mahaba yung pila. But this year, we decided na to spend our Christmas or holidays here at home, at our new home, kasi first time din namin actually na Christmas and New Year dito. We're super excited kasi lalo pag New Year kasi may balcony kami, guys. Ito, I'll show you. May kita namin yung mga fireworks display dito pagka New Year and we are super excited. Unobstructed view siya. Ano naman, I'll just have coffee and then I'll just update you later. Yes, got the goods. Okay, so change of plans. Sa bahay ko na lang siya lulutuin dun sa amin. Masyadong masikip yung space dito para lutuin ko pa yung mga bagay-bagay. And also may mga papadala din kasi ako sa bahay. So, isasabay ko na rin dun. Yay! Shh! Bakit mo naman inaano si ano? Wow! Wow! Ang sarap!
Today, Tres Dragones. South City Roasters, Tres Dragones.
Tres Dragones. What's the note?
Tasting note, mango, lychee, caramel, blueberries, and
Dense. It's dense and intense.
dense and intense.
Well, I'm all for Christmas. All the happy smiles and the wishes And I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow.
Pwede na kami magtayo ng coffee shop! So this is what we're going to eat later for Noche Buena. Tapos we made some chili garlic sauce. Steak! Wow, look at that.
This one with 24 bits, a smaller 12-bit option, and a more than 50-bit option. The more bits.
So let's just prepare our dinner. Noche Buena for today. Initin ko na lang tong crab legs. And then, we'll prepare the steak. 1.8 kilograms yung na-order ko kanina sa Facebook. Alaskan King Crab Manila. Actually, hindi naman kasi pala ganun kahirap lutuin siya. Steam mo lang. Ang problema lang is yung lutuan. Dapat may malaki kayong steamer. Surf and turf tayo ngayon. Noche Buena. Tadaan! So, this is our handa. Actually, without the sauce, masarap pa rin yung crab. Kasi tinikman ko kanina, kahit naka-steam lang siya, and then walang anything na salt, pepper, or any pampalasa, masarap na siya. As in, sobrang malasa niya. Ito. Grabe, sobrang laki nito kanina. Like, ngayon lang ako nakikita ng crab legs na ganito kalaki. Isang buong arm ko. Yung galamay niya kanina. Na naputol-putol ko na. And also, don't mind my outfit for today. Kasi kanina, naglakad-lakad kami ni Dee sa labas. And we were talking about how much growth did I have for the past 3 years. 3 years na yun, ganun-ganun lang. Pero I started vlogging like 2 years ago. In the span of 2 years, I think sobrang daming changes, character development na nangyari sa akin. And also, I've improved a lot in so many aspects of my life. I think that's the best gift, or that's the best way to end this year. You try to step back and look back on things that you have learned or kung ano yung mga growth mo for this whole year of 2024. If you are in your state in your life also na marami kayong goals or dreams pa na gustong ma-achieve, know that you can still achieve that regardless of your age. And it's not too late to start over or kung ano yung mga plano nyong gawin sa buhay. So, ilang days na lang, no, bago mag-end yung 2024. So, I want you guys to reflect and think about the things that you've learned this year and kung ano yung mga growth or yung mga gusto nyo pang i-improve for 2025. I think okay na ang ating pagsa-steam ng crab. Very good! If you guys want to watch more kitchen vlogs, cooking vlogs in my channel, let me know also. Let's cook the steak! 1 minute per side before we sear it with butter, garlic, rosemary, and thyme. How was it? Look at that! Wow! Dinner by our balcony. Ah! Yung ganda naman! Perfect way to spend our Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone! Mukbang, guys! It's already 12 midnight! Merry Christmas, everyone! And I am so sleepy. Yun lang naman yung aming simple celebration ng Christmas here at home. It's our first Christmas here sa bago naming bahay. And there's no better way to celebrate Christmas than spending it at home with the people you love, you care the most. And also, I get to see my family earlier naman. I think sa lahat ng Christmas, ito yung pinaka-memorable sa akin for some reason dahil simple lang siya, pero masaya. Hindi man sobrang daming tao, hindi man parang sobrang engrande yung celebration. At least we know na kompleto kaming family. Yun naman yung importante this Christmas. And I know Christmas is not the same for everyone. Pwedeng yung iba, hindi nila kasama yung loved ones nila. Pwedeng wala silang kakainin today. So, kung ano man yung meron tayo ngayon, please appreciate it. Kung nandyan pa yung family nyo, make time. Also, don't forget na to give back if meron kayong mga anything na sobra or may mga blessings kayong nare-receive. Yan lang naman, guys. Again, Merry Christmas. So we're just gonna watch movie here at home. That's how we are going to spend the rest of the night.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh.
So, we are here at SM to buy some stuff for our home. Namili ako ng double wall na coffee glass. Pang facial wash. Magkano kaya? 1,599 to? Isa lang? Totoo ba? 249 to? Although okay din siya, actually.
La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories.
Piece. I hope tumagal siya. Plastic lang. At least hindi siya mababasagin. Pero parang may gas-gas siya. So, palitan natin. Yan. Ito. Ayan. Chair storage box. Pero medyo maliit siya. So, I don't think kukunin ko siya. Wow! Ay, ang ganda! Vacuum flask set. 379. Ooh! Pwede yan pang gift. May mga matatanda, gastos lang. Wala kami na pamasko. Kami ang maraming gastusin this Christmas. 100 pesos, 12 pieces. Yung isang inaanak ko, bibilan ka na lang ng gift dito. Ito kaya, lunchbox. Parang cute naman. Here, bag. Magkano kaya? 2,799! That's much more expensive, no? Ito. Hindi ko kilala si Smigel pero... toys? Wag na siguro ng toys kasi feeling ko hindi magagamit. Tsaka masyado ng maraming toys yung mga bata. Dapat something na they can use every day. Ayoko rin actually ng damit kasi mabilis lang lakihan. Like ilang gamit lang, tas wala na. So, doon naman sa mga nagsasabing inaanak ko sila, bago kayo mamasko kay Ninang, kailangan may picture na nandun ako sa binyag nyo. No picture, no gift, no angpaw. Eme-eme kayong nininang-ninang nyo ako Kabili lang ako ng mga kailangan. So, walang discount and promo ang SM ngayon. Pero if you're a government employee, meron silang ina-offer na discount. I'm not sure how much. Hindi ko na rin tinanong. Let's just eat first before we head home. Kainin natin yung favorite namin go-to healthy food. Uy, looks like it's complete.
You can choose Mexican, lemongrass, or cilantro.
Mexican. Look at the veggies. They also have beef here. Pero ang favorite namin is chicken talaga. Minsan actually chicken burrito. Barbecue. Smoky barbecue. Let's eat.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. And I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.